tonight.
The abstract of our project is: the objective of this work is to design, develop, and evaluate performance of an indirect solar dryer. Prototype in passive and active mode using thermal energy storage and without thermal energy storage for the drying of dry fish. Food should be dry rapidly, but the speed of drying will cause the outside becomes hard before the moisture inside has chance to evaporate, and it will affect the quality of dry product due to overdrying. The traditional salted fish and anchovy dry is a drying method that has been used for generations by the Bajau tribes in Kota Blut, Sabah. But these traditional methods face problems, especially during the rainy season, where the operator will have to collect and store more salted fish or anchovies and take a long time, and it is like that the dry salted fish will be re-wet by the rain. Therefore, this traditional method needs to be upgraded to a simpler and more economic system. So with that, we propose a solution method by using salted fish dry using green technology and IoT, which is our project is automatic fish dryer with IoT.
The introduction of this project is: fresh fish deteriorates quickly unless it is preserved in some way. Drying is a food preservation process that works by extracting water from the food, which is stop microorganisms from growing. To preserve fruit, open air drying with the sun and wind has been practiced since ancient time. Water is normally removed by evaporation, air drying, sun drying, smoking, or wind drying. But when food is freeze dried, the water removed by sublimation bacteria, yeast, and mold all need water to develop, and drying effectively eliminate their ability to survive in the food.
For the problem statement is: drying is one of the oldest methods using solar energy, where the salted dry fish or anchovies to be dried exposed directly to the sun. This method has many disadvantages such as spoiled products due to rain, wind, dust, insect infestation, animal attack. There is no suitable place, a lot of manpower and fungi. The speed of drying, especially in open sun drying, which is solar radiation exposed directly to the product, it will cause the product's surface becomes hard before the moisture inside has a chance to evaporate, and it will affect the quality of dried product due to overdrying. Open sun drying also suffers from high labor requirement and excessive crop handling, particularly in periods of inclement weather, which can result in high cost, crop damage, and loss in quality. In the study, the renewable solar dryer was designed to solve this problem and will adapt the economics criteria and produce a better quality product.
There are two main objectives to achieve in this research, which are: firstly, to study a characteristic and performance of the autonomous Internet of Things, which is IoT system. Next, to develop an autonomous Internet of Things IoT system for salted fish dryer.
For our methodology, this final year project used 3 major steps to implement project, starting from planning, implementing, and testing. All these methods used for finding and analyzing data regarding the project related. To identify all the information and requirements such as hardware and software, planning must be done in the proper manner. The planning phase have 2 main elements, namely data collection and the requirements of hardware and software. Data collection is a stall in any area of study. At this stage, we planned about the project resources and requirements, literature, studies, and schedule to get more information in the study. All the materials are collected from journal and research papers gathered from the internet. Within the data collection period, we found the study about the salted fish solar dryer in the internet and do some research about the project related. Once we got the project manual, we tried to find out the electronic component and other materials and some of equipment to be used. While planning, we have done the research about the project related, which including with study about the electronic components such as capacitor, resistor, inductance, transistor, and IoT devices such as Arduino and Arduino ESP32 or Raspberry Pi. The study is not just for the function of the component, but the types of small circuit built by each component related.
Such finding is the drying process performed by the home industry is still using conventional drying method, which is by using sun heat and requires extensive and open land. It is a straightforward procedure for extracting moisture from a natural industrial product in order to meet the necessary specification. This method is economical on a large-scale drying because of cheaper operating costs compared to the drying machine. Based on our observation we have done in Kota Belut, this system has a weakness, including product spoilage due to rain, wind, dust, insect infestation, and animal attack. Open sun drying also suffer from a high labor, particularly in periods of inclement weather, which can result in high cost, crop damage, and a loss in quality. The conclusion of this project is the study presents the design and the simulation of a low-cost and autonomous control system for indirect solar dryer. This control system adopts the IoT technology which is based on the combination of the ESP32 with Raspberry Pi board to collect and send data in real time. The Protos simulation finding proof that this combination provides an efficient for electronic monitoring wireless of the drying process to drying process parameters. The drying parameters we select to choose the DHT22 sensor. This sensor reads the data used in the Arduino program to optimize the control system, which is based on the fixed dried condition. The estimation of the budget of the hardware component point out that it is cheaper compared to the other IoT technology, which encourage the farmer to make this control system.